Let's talk about internet browsing history. There are many reasons why a parent would want to monitor the browsing history of their child. Firstly, to safeguard against viewing websites that may cause harmful or violent content. Secondly, you may want to know whether or not your child is looking at any adult websites. You will also be able to find out whether they are looking at websites in the wee hours of the morning or late at night. And lastly, you would also find out if they are hooked on any particular type of content online. Monitoring browsing history at an early age can prevent worse habits from formulating later on in life. Most web browsers have a menu to the top labeled History, which upon clicking, you can see the recently visited websites. Alternatively, you can go to the web address bar and start typing a website address. And if it's a frequently visited site, you would see it show up in the listing below. Now, it is quite easy for someone to delete their internet browsing history. Therefore, these are not foolproof methods of monitoring internet activity. Setting up features such as parental controls or monitoring apps are better ways to restrict content viewed on a web browser.